So the market actually had a really nice move. Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also the Nasdaq. And also mining stocks didn't really do much. But when it comes to mining stocks, I'm going to share with you the one market that I believe is going to have the biggest moves out of all of them. I'm going to be sharing with you with that as well too. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, you know the deal. Subscribe, bell button, put the word amazing in the chat box below if you enjoy these videos, and go get that flash sale, 95% off the entire Master Trader Lab. And you also get a 30-day money back guarantee as well too. So go grab that right now. Looking at the Dow Jones, what happened yesterday? I did a video saying, you know, we're probably going to start up. We're going to have we're probably going to have a bullish week. And look what happened. Not only did the Dow Jones have a very nice up day, very nice up day, and we're probably almost breaking to a new high for the year on the Dow Jones. The S&P 500, look at this here. The S&P 500 is right at my long-term levels of support here, which I don't think is going to hold anymore. I think we're just going to continue breaking up. Like I was saying in my video yesterday, if you watched that, so you can see here that we actually had this very nice deep pullback, held here very strongly, and then continued up through there. You know, guys, in the video that I talked about yesterday, I talked about how the market is starting to move up, and look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, big gap up, and it looks like we're about to break up to another new high for the year. So it's really interesting to see all of this starting to come into play right now, especially the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq is really interesting. And also, if you start to look at all the other, say the tech stocks, say Amazon, very big up day, very big volume behind today. So I expect Amazon to at least get to its high up here, at least probably even break up to all-time new high. You got Facebook. Facebook is also breaking out as well too. Very nice break up and out on Facebook. Facebook's looking really nice when it comes to that there. As you can see, we're getting a very nice pop to the upside when it comes to Facebook. Also Apple also had a very nice little gap up and a big run today. Apple looks like it's probably going to break up to at least that 140 level now, especially Apple, nice sideways movement and then a bit of a gap up as well too. Microsoft, I said Microsoft looks like it's starting to gain some legs, and we actually had a nice move up. You know, guys, and you know, if you'd like to learn more about how I read the markets and so on and so forth, then make sure you grab that subscription, that 95% off sale to the Master Trader Lab, because I teach you, I think it's got something like 10 videos walking through all the different chart reading techniques that I use to read the charts. So as we can see that we're getting a lot of now buying activity into these markets. So once again, Microsoft, I wouldn't be too surprised if we actually saw a new high coming soon as well too. There are a few tech stocks out there that are not really sort of, you know, going out there and doing its thing, where you got sort of, say for example Walmart. And by the way, guys, I'm going to get to the one market that I believe is going to have the biggest moves over the next couple of years, so stay tuned for that. We can see that we're actually getting a nice little high low stair-stepping higher. So Walmart looks like it's probably going to have a nice move up to the upside. There you go. There you go. Just came back from the gym and also a 30-minute cardio session. And that's what you get for doing the video when you just do that, right? I did a back and leg day and 30 minutes of cardio. So we're going to move up in the up direction. Uppity up. Right, so really not much going on through here. Big up move, came down, nice little high low. And this is why, guys, it's so important to continue to read what the market is telling you, because if I bring up, say, the last year, look at this here. The market is always telling you, and again, I'll talk more about this in the Master Trader Lab, link below. Yes, it's a plug, but you know, you need to get the access to that, I promise you guys. So we have a low, we have a higher low, run up, higher low, run up, higher low, run up, higher low, run up, sideways, run up. See? So now we're higher lowing it all the way up. So very nice movement to the upside. when it comes to Walmart as well too. So again, I expect to see more upside to come out of all these markets. And let's just have a look at Tesla. Tesla hasn't been doing much at all when it comes to Tesla. You can see Tesla's been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. And we're getting a very, 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 very tight range through here. So if I look at my hourly chart, there's probably, on a short-term basis, guys, even on a 15-minute chart, on a short-term basis, if I was trading the intraday basis, what I would do is if I got I'm looking at, this is the hourly chart now, giving you guys a bit of a trade idea here if you guys trade the intraday trades. By the way, there's no guarantees that it's actually making a profit, so do your analysis, blah, blah, blah. All right, cool. What I'm seeing through here is we can see this is resistance and this is the support level through here. So if I was trading the intraday chart, say such as the 15-minute chart, if I got a very strong bullish candle looking something like that, very strong candle looking something, like that, then I would, that, or even on the hourly chart. Let's have a look at here on the hourly chart. So yeah, something very, very, very strong like that, like a nice little break up candle with volume, then that would actually be quite a nice little entry signal. And then and if we got that, that'll give me confirmation that we're likely now at least make a 5 or 6 or 7% move, which is quite nice when you talk about options there. So if I was trading intraday, which I don't, I trade daily charts and I try to hold on for many weeks and many months, try to capture big moves. Instead of capturing those small little moves, I like to jump on some big trends and capture those, those 200-300%. And even my largest profit this year has been 1,100% return, 1,100% return on a stock. And that's what I try to do when it comes to that. I don't try to get in there. And plus also I'm sleeping as well too, right? Because I'm in Australia. America, when they open up, I'm sleeping. I get up first in the morning and I do my analysis last day. And for me, guys, I only do for the stock market. I only trade 1 hour a day with the stock market because that's all I need, which is the last hour. On the futures and forex, I spend a bit more time on those, but that's what I do when it comes to Tesla. But looking at Tesla, I can see there's probably going to be a bit of a short-term move here, or that there might be a good chance of having a bit of a short-term move. So really interesting to see what we actually get there. Anyway, so moving on now through to the mining stocks, guys. I see once again with the mining stocks, nice little break up with the GDX, getting a little bit of resistance where we are right now, but I expect to see a follow through coming onto the GDXJ. Same for the GDX as well too. Still just holding here. I expect to see a bit of a follow through. SILJ, same. The SILJ and also SIL. Bit of a pretty much nothing day coming across these markets. So not really much going on through there. But I do believe we're likely to start with this. What we saw yesterday was the start of another nice move up, and today is just a nothing day. That's okay. That's what happens in these up moves. You go up and all that sort of stuff. Same for gold. Gold's having a little bit of a pullback today, just a little bit of a pullback. Not much going on, but you can see here once again, guys. If I bring up my analysis, all right, we do have something going on through there. I would say. Maybe even something going on through there somewhere. So I do see, once again, gold starting to probably, right? Probably, I do see gold probably going to start to see a break and a move to the upside through there. And also looking at silver as well too. Silver's a much harder one, but that's, once again, it's much harder one because I'm not getting a really good strong pattern. But moving on through, say, the mining stocks and so on and so forth, that's what I see. Now, moving on to that one market that I believe is going to have the biggest move out there, and I've said this for a long time now, and that is the GDXJ. Out of all the markets, people are trying to pick tops and pick bottoms in the markets, and to me, I believe that what you're seeing right now as a bit of a break above the 50 line is the start of an enormous bull run to come over the next few years. And I do see this market having a really, really, really nice movement to the upside. I could spend, again, guys, when you really understand the concept of what I talk about, especially in the Master Trader Lab, you'll see the reasons why I do that. I've also talked about in some other videos as well too. But the whole thing about this, guys, is that this has a massive energy base behind it for it to make a really, really, really big move. So people are trying to jump on things that already made a massive move. People either trying to jump on something that's already made a massive move, so you've missed the boat. People are trying to short something which is going up, which is ridiculous. Why would you short a bull market? And people then trying to also catch bottoms where the market's been going down for a while. Why not look for markets that hasn't been doing much for a while, and it's starting a bull market. It's just starting the bull market, and then jump on the bull market, right? That's what I look for there. So anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, bell button, and click on the link in the description to go get that access to the Master Trader Lab right now.